Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to merge customers on Setmore. If you're not familiar with Setmore, it's a scheduling and booking software that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It's easy to use and has a lot of great features, including the ability to merge customers. This can be helpful if you've accidentally created duplicate customer records, or if you've merged two businesses and need to combine your customer lists. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Setmore account. If you don't have a Setmore account, you can sign up for a free trial here. Step 2. Go to the Customers tab. Step 3. Click on the Merge Customers button. Step 4. Select the customers you want to merge. You can select multiple customers at once by holding down the Shift key. Step 5. Click on the Merge button. Step 6. Confirm the merge. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to merge the selected customers. Step 7. That's it. Your customers have been merged. Additional tips. If you're not sure which customers to merge, you can use the search bar to find them. You can also merge customers from different locations. If you merge customers who have appointments, the appointments will be transferred to the new customer record. If you merge customers who have invoices, the invoices will be transferred to the new customer record. If you merge customers who have payments, the payments will be transferred to the new customer record. Merging customers on Setmore is a simple process that can be helpful if you need to combine customer records. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I'll see you next time.